guys, welcome back to another video of V.I Tech Academy YouTube channel. This is your host Ratul. In today's video, we will see how can import data to your Excel sheet. Friends, sometimes we receive data in TXT format or CSV format or in other files. Now, when you receive any data in TXT format or as a notepad, or you collect some data from internet as a notepad, sometimes it is challenging for you to convert this data into a proper Excel file. You need to enter all the data manually, but you don't need to do the manually. You can just use the feature. One feature is there. You can just use the feature and your data will be automatically imported to your Excel, which means you can import your data from your TXT file to your Excel file. Before starting today's video, guys, we have made a full course on advanced Excel with screen readers. We have made more than 30 videos and we have accumulated all the videos in a dedicated playlist. So don't forget to check out that playlist to learn advanced Excel from zero to hero with NVDA and JAWS. If you're new in this channel, to get more interesting videos like this, subscribe to this channel, and after subscribing, press the bell icon, choose all notifications so that you will never miss any upload. If you want to get all of the videos earlier, join our gold membership. Click on the join button to learn more. So guys, first of all, let me show you. I have one data. So see, this is my data.
Train name, train number, departure time, arrival time.
Okay, train name, train number, departure time, arrival time. So I'm just reading the data character by character.
T-R-A-I-N space N-A-M-E space.
Train name.
Bar.
Then one vertical bar is there.
Space.
Then
T-R-A-I-N space
train.
N-U-M-B-E-R space.
Number.
Bar. Space.
Again, one vertical bar is there.
Departure. Time.
Departure time.
I-M. Bar.
Then one vertical bar is there.
Arrival.
Arrival time.
Carriage return.
That's it. So below that we have the data like this.
Sealda New Jalpaiguri. New Sealda.
Shielda New Jalpaiguri
Darjeeling Express. Bar.
Then bar, this is a train name, so then train number
12,345.
Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 I think.
Space 1 2 3 4 5 space bar 08.
Then
colon 00.
Okay.
M bar 02 colon 00 PM.
Okay.
Carriage
so
return.
Please remember that I have just taken some random numbers, random timings for the data. This is not the real data actually. Okay, this is not the real data, so I just taken this for the video purpose. So what is, first you need to understand that what we use to separate the data. Okay, to separate the data we use vertical bar. In technical terms it's called delimiter. Okay, so when we use Excel, it asks for the delimiter, which we should use. Okay, now let's suppose instead of bar, if you have tab key, if you have comma, if you use comma, if you use colon, like for example name colon class colon roll number, or for example name colon tab colon class, name tab class tab roll number, or you have name space class space roll number. So all these are called delimiters. Some default delimiters are there, and if you are not found, then you can use the custom delimiters also. So let's see how to import this data to our Excel sheet.
Book 1.
So this is one Excel sheet which I have created. I have opened, just it is not a saved. Now just check, this is a blank Excel.
A1, A2, A1, A1, B1, C1, B1, A1, A2.
Okay, A2, A3,
B2, A2,
all these are
A2.
blanks. Okay, now we will import the data. So before learning the import, how to import, just one short announcement for you guys. We are going to start our computer literacy expert batch for 2025 in the next year, and the application is going on, so you can learn the basic to advanced computers online with proper certificates. The fees of the course is 2100. So if you are interested, visit our website and you can register from there. We will also share the course link in the pinned comment also, so don't worry about that. Okay, so now let me show you.
A1.
So first I just move my focus to the first, so first cell. It is not it is not mandatory. Next I need to go to the data tab. To go to data tab, I press Alt plus A.
Ribbon tabs tab.
Next I press tab.
Comments toggle but share collapsed data grouping. Get and transform data grouping 1 of 7. Get data collapsed easily. Discover
Tab.
connect from text / CSV button. Import
Yeah.
data from a text, comma separated value or formatted text.
From
Space delimited. File Alt A FT 2 of 7.
text or like CSV file. Okay, Alt AFT I think. Okay, now here I am pressing enter.
Import data dialog. File name.
And it will
File
ask
name.
to choose the file. So it is a general standard open dialog box. So let me open the file.
Item today grouping expanded. Train details.txt 1
So
of
this
2.
is my text file. So let me press tab and click on import.
Date files tools to import button Alt plus M.
After clicking on the import button, see
Delimiter custom file origin 1252
File
Western European
original.
Windows combo
okay, so
box.
I'm just pressing tab.
Delimiter custom combo
See,
box collapse.
Delimiter, it's by default custom is set because Excel is smart, so Excel can understand what could be our delimiter. Okay, now if I press up arrow down low, you can just see
Pane document tab space semicolon equals sign 3 of comma 2 colon 1
colon
comma 2 of 8
comma
equals sign 3 of 8
equal sign. So this can be also used as a delimiter.
semicolon 4 of 8
Semicolon
space 5 of 8
space
tab 6 of 8
tab
custom 7 of 8
custom and
fixed width 8 of 8
fixed width.
custom 7 of 8
So I just choose custom because we used bar vertical bar, right? So I'm just pressing tab again.
train details.txt document dialog. Train details.txt dialog. Specify the settings for each file. Learn delimiter custom combo box
Tab.
focus delimiter edit
Delimiter edit. See, I'm just pressing home.
bar blank bar blank bar.
Bar means vertical bar is automatically selected. Okay, next I'm pressing tab.
Data type detection based on first
Tab.
refresh button.
Tab.
Table with 12 rows and 4 columns. Train name.
So here you can see a preview how your tables look like. You can use all of your table navigation key, which means Alt Control, then left arrow, right arrow, up arrow, down arrow.
Train name. Train number. Column 3 departure. Column 4 arrival time.
Okay, next I'm pressing tab again.
Row Sealdan Jalpaiguri Darjeeling Express row 2 column
Tab.
1. File origin 1252 Western European Windows combo box.
Tab.
Delimiter cut delimiter data type detection
So
based on
sometimes you may not find the options to load button. So you need to find the options to load button.
refresh button. Table with 12 load button.
So just load button is there. Now just I'm pressing enter on it and see the data will be imported to our Excel file.
Book 1 press F6 to access.
Now see,
Sealdan Jalpaigur train name A1.
train name A1,
Train number B1.
train number,
Departure time C1.
departure time,
Arrival time D1.
arrival time. And just I'm checking
Train
this.
name A Sealdan Jalpaiguri Darjeeling Express A2. 12,345 B2.
Train number.
8 o'clock 00 AM C2. 2 o'clock 00 PM E2. E2. 6
is-
o'clock 00 PM Sealdan Rajdhani Express A3.
Rajdhani Express.
12,346 B3. 10 o'clock 00 AM C. 6 o'clock 00 PM D3. Sealdan Vikalpur Express A4.
Shielda Bhagalpur Express.
12,347 B4. 12 o'clock 00 PM 8 o'clock 0 Sealda Puri Duranto Express A5.
Shielda Puri Duronto Express.
12,348 B5. 2 o'clock 00 10 o'clock 00.
So this is how you can easily import any data from your TXT file to Excel file. I hope you understood from this video. If you find this content useful, press the like button and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to let us know what do you want to learn from our videos into the comment section. See you soon in the next tutorial. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.